Welcome to Momentum Software Solutions Handy Hint, how to add a campaign in MYOB EXO CRM. Once you have opened EXO CRM, click on the Campaign tab and click New. Type in a reference or let the system fill one in automatically. Give the campaign a title . Enter the estimated cost of the campaign, and if there is an expectation of revenue, enter that amount and enter the estimated response. Choose a stage, update the start date and the end date, and select an owner of the campaign. And add campaign type. And in campaign costs, you can enter a job number or search for one if there has been a job number allocated. Click Save. Click on the Waves tab. This is for communication waves. Select First Communication. Enter a description such as email, initial email invite. Select a communication method such as mail shot process. You also have the ability to select a contact list, opt-in URL, opt-out URL, and landing page. Enter start date and an end date, the date which you expect the communication to finish. Click Save and Exit. Click on the Activities tab and click on the new activity icon. Choose Activity Type and then change the type. This is an editable list. Enter a subject, such as Send Out Initial Invitation. Enter the job code if there is one, and you can search for a campaign wave. You can label your activity, update the status. You can assign your activity to someone else, update the start time and end time, and you can also include notes on an activity. You can create as many activities as is required to complete the campaign. For example, if you set up a campaign for an event, you might have an activity to book the venue, one to send out invitations, one to do follow-up calls, and so on. Now we will go on to build a contact list for our email invitation or our first communication. Click on the Contact List tab. Click on Create List. Enter a title and a list type. Click on Save. Click on the List Building Criteria tab. Ensure is active equals yes, or your email will go to inactive records. Also ensure that opt-out e-marketing equals N or no, or your communication will go to contacts that have opted out of marketing campaigns. Click the Press button to add new condition button. Click on the SEQ No, and then click on a condition, for example, marketing class. And then click in the brackets and choose your selection, such as retail clients. Click Apply. Select all the records by clicking in the box at the top of the list and click onto the Add-on to the list icon. Click back up onto the Details tab and all of your contacts will be in there. Click Save and Exit. Now click on the History Notes tab. You can add notes to a campaign, so if you get a phone call that you wish to keep details of, you can include them in here. Now click on the Transactions tab. This is where you can keep track of any transactions that have gone against the job. In the Documents tab, you can drag and drop documents and emails. And finally, you can analyse the success of the campaign based on cost and return on investment. We hope you've enjoyed watching our handy hint. Thank you for watching from the Momentum team.